So for this week, as of June 15, 2018, using the head and shoulders pattern and using the enhanced version of entry point, the system that we have created and currently testing in the third week in a row. So as of now, the first trade was a loss, and I still used the enhanced version, which is I managed to push, although it has a lot of violations on the rules that I have created, but on the major major checkpoint or major rules, it has passed all the 4 major rules. But then again, what hit my stop loss was the number of pips that I was allowed myself to trade with. It was not that low. It have hit over here on this side. It have hit my stop loss and losing a $30. But for the major rules, again, it doesn't break and currently still not forming it. So if we will assess, or if we will follow the streak from the major to the minor rules of the system, then we have just break even on this trade instead of losing. The second one is this one, which is now we are waiting for it to be done, to hit the take profit. So here it is. As for this week, on the third week of a row, on our enhanced version of entry point, trading the head and shoulders, particularly on the shoulder side, I have managed to create 2 trades. Yes, the first one was a loss trade, losing $30, and the second one is currently and has not yet been stopped. Currently, it's now the profit is $102. These are about 100 pips. Our system is gaining and with stress free. So for more details, you could visit my blog regarding this one. Okay, the ultimate goal is to test the system, the enhanced version of entry point in trading a head and shoulders, which is ito po yung head and shoulders na inabangan ko pa, which is I posted on the Facebook June 12. I started this trade. I took the trade. I sell with a trade size of 0.11. That's around $1 per pip. Currently, the goal was just 100 pips, and I am now having more than 100 pips. So anytime soon, this my take profit will hit, or I could stop my trade. So this is just an example of the successful result on the system that we have